In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the subject line in Adobe Sign, and we'll go through each step so that you can easily follow along. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Sign website. It's quite straightforward and something you've likely done before whenever you've used Adobe Sign. Once you've got the website open, the next step is to log in. Enter your credentials as usual, ensuring you access your account where all your documents are stored. Now, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard page. From here, locate the Documents page. This is typically where your documents and agreements are listed under Your Documents. What you'll do next is select the specific agreement that you want to modify. One quick thing to note here: ensure that these modifications are allowed for the document you've chosen. If they are, you'll see an Edit option. Go ahead and give that a click to proceed. Next, once you're in the editing mode, you will want to click on eSign. This action will bring up a range of options, and if you glance over to the left sidebar as you scroll down, you'll find an option labeled Add Message. Clicking this is crucial because it's where you can start to see the preview of the message you want to edit or send out. Here's a useful tip. Make sure to pay attention to how your message appears because it gives you a context on what your recipient will see. Now, move your focus to the top middle part of the screen. You'll spot an arrow next to the name of the PDF. This is the key for changing the subject line. By clicking on the arrow, you get the freedom to rename your PDF file. Changing the name of the PDF also automatically changes the subject line of your message. So keep in mind that your subject line will need to reflect what you're comfortable showing in the communication with the recipient. Make sure it's clear and concise. Finally, after you've made the necessary changes and are satisfied with how everything looks, proceed to click on the Send button. This action will ensure your updated document with the new subject line is sent to the intended recipient. And there you have it, a simple guide to changing the subject line in Adobe Sign. Thanks for staying with us through to the end. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips like these, and until next time, keep being productive.